Okay, everybody. So this is what we have. I didn't want to bore you guys to death cutting up vegetables and peeling them. So right now we have our potatoes. In this case, we happen to have small potatoes that we only needed to peel them. You don't have to peel the potatoes. You could just throw them, wash them off if they're small like that, and use the peel and everything. We have our taro root or malanga right here, and then this part, this is the yuca, which is, it's a frozen yuca. It's easier buying it frozen than it is to peel the yuca, and frozen like this, it comes already peeled. And this is our plantain, already peeled and diced, and this is our butternut squash, and this right here is our boniato, or like the Spanish style, Cuban style sweet potato, which is like a white sweet. It tastes pretty close to what a sweet potato tastes like, but it's white. All right, so we cut them up all in pretty even sizes. As you can see, about it, I would say an inch and a half, an inch, maybe an inch for the plantains, and everything else about an inch and a half. You don't want to cut them too finely because you want to have this kind of a chunky when it's cooked. You don't want to have everything so smooth that it becomes like a puree. So you want to have a little bit. You want to have it thick, but with pieces of the root vegetables. Some pieces intact, soft, but in there. Ok, aquí hemos cortado ya la yuca, tenemos la papa, la calabaza, el plátano verde que lo cortamos en ruedas. Y ahora lo vamos a añadir todo otra vez junto con el caldo que tenemos aquí, que eso fue lo que quedó después de hervir la carne. Y yo saqué la carne. La razón por la que la saqué, no es necesario hacerlo. Saqué la carne y el maíz por si acaso quedaba algún pedacito de hueso del mismo ham hock o algo así. Y también, si ves, esta es la parte de afuera del ham hock, que la voy a cortar en pedacitos más chiquiticos para que no quede la grasa esa entera del skin, de la piel de ham hock o del lacón. So what I did is I took off all the beef and the smoked pork hock or ham hocks. And what I'm gonna do is, you don't have to do this. It was just easier for me to pick out any small fragments of bone that would have come out from the ham hock, which I don't think so, because we already got the two bones that from the ham hock out. But just in case, and also that piece of the skin of the ham hock, we're gonna dice them up in smaller pieces so you don't end up with one huge piece of a ham hock skin on your plate. But then we're gonna add basically this onto this, and then with all everything together, taste it for salt, and then put it to simmer for, I want to say, probably another hour and a half, but we'll see. I'm gonna count the time from the time that I put it on simmer until it's done, so that we can see how long it actually takes and what it tastes like.